Hello friends, I welcome you all in the CSAT solution series of 2020 paper. So let's begin. We have discussed till question number 13 and this question number 14 is considered one of the very easiest question, and for someone like me who is weak at math can score very good marks in this. Should not wrong this, okay? So what we need to do is just to put some signs in this question mark wala region. If you put multiplication all, you will not get 20 as the all total sum, but if when you put minus, plus and multiplication, then by solving the BODMAS from the BODMAS rule, I hope you understand brackets of the division, multiplication, addition and subtractions, then the answer would be 20. So in this way this question is being solved. Easy tha? So let's move to the another question. 15 number. This is nothing but how the questions come, how the words are arranged in a dictionary. So it is arranged very alphabetically, everyone knows, like A, the B, C, or in A series B, A B, this way, or in A series A E, then comes B, C, ऐसे करके in alphabetical order. See, there is all in all the words there is PR, but PR के बाद वाला words क्या है? सबसे पहले कौन आएगा? A. What comes first, A or E? Obviously A, so then 2 will become first, then 2 here, 2 first, then comes all the 3 have E, no need to go for it. Next come to the fourth letter, A, C, C, which will come first? Obviously A or C? A, then come, see, number 1 first 2, then comes A, 1, okay. Next here both are C, then come to the fifth letter I or E, which comes first, E or I? Obviously E, then comes fourth and fifth. I hope you are getting my point, what I am trying to say. It's very difficult to make understand in this video everything means. It's same this way. Question number 16 can be solved as well. What we have to do is, see, there is given symbol like F D B A, and F D B A, what it means, what it implies, it given here, like A for multiplication, B for addition, C for subtraction and D for equal to likewise. So we have to solve in such a way that D, which means equal to, will be the sum. So you have to solve this, solve every questions, and you will find option A as the correct one. The question number 17. This is again a series like A given, B blank, C, D blank, E. So here one gap is going. E के बाद फिर one gap D, sorry, E के बाद gap F, then comes G, फिर H gap I, J gap K, L gap M, N gap O, P gap Q, and then R gap S. So answer would be A. This way you have to solve, okay. Next, which of the following series is correctly defined if each term of the series should be sum of preceding two terms? Here you have to make understand this statement, like sum each term of the series should be the sum of preceding two terms, means you have to see the third number first. Wait, let me change the color here. Okay, third series first, like third number should be the sum of the preceding two, former two का sum होना पड़ेगा, like 3 plus 6 9, okay, this correct. 9 plus 6 9 plus 14 should be 9 plus 6 should be 15, but here is given 14, so this one is incorrect. Then 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, not 10, again this incorrect. 5 plus 10 13, okay. 13 plus 21 it's 34, not 35, so this one is also incorrect. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 5 12, 7 plus 12 19, 12 plus 19 31. This series is correct. So hope you understood what is given here. Next question. Retail inflation is decreasing in the month of March compared to the earlier month. Which one of the following conclusion can be drawn from the above statement? What are the statement? Price of retail products is coming down in the month of March compared to the month of January. January is not given here. It is what is given in the question. See, you have to read question very carefully. March तो बोला है, but in comparison to earlier months, it may be Jan, Feb, or the December, November of the last month. This question has not mentioned any particular month. ठीक है? So we'll go आगे. तो first statement wrong. Then comes leave behind the second statement. read the third statement. Retail price of the products is going up continuously over the months. Going up. See, again, here the term, extreme term, you can see continuously. This is not given in the question, so it will be eliminated. Next, again, D, continuously word is given, so again that will be eliminated too. But if you read the B statement, the rate at which the price retail products increased in the month of January and Feb was more than that of the rate of increase in the month of March. This is the correct statement. If you have a little bit knowledge of economics of the GS paper, then you can solve it. Okay, next, this statement, please pause the video and read it. If I am gonna read, then it will going to be very, you know, it's going to be very long. So what statement say? It says about a country, mentions country, and make the statement lower statement. Okay, statement 2 talks about state, AIDS patient के लिए, and statement 3 talks about neighborhood. So see, lower to higher is the series. Statement 3 is the highest one and the statement 1 is the lowest one. So if you allow a person with AIDS in your neighborhood, that automatically means you will allowing the person to reside in the country. Yes or no? এইটো হয়, এনেকাই হয়। যদি মই নিজৰ ঘৰত বা কমিউনিটিত এনেকা এলাউ কৰিছোঁ, মানে মই কাণ্ট্ৰিত এলাউ কৰিছোঁ, মোক একো প্ৰব্লেম নাই, এইটোৱে কৈছে। Read the first statement. Agreeing to a higher statement suggests that agreement to the lower statement. Higher statement was neighborhood, lower statement was country. If I am allowing someone to reside in my neighborhood, then it automatically means I am allowing the person to reside in the country. Simple. Next question. Man is mortal, Rajiv is man, Rekha is a female, and therefore Rekha is not mortal. This is so absurd, and I don't like syllogism. That's this just because of their absurdity. Like, what is this? So the answer would be, rewriting statement 1 will be enough to justify the conclusion in the statement 4 above. Means, if we want to prove Rekha is also mortal, we have to modify the statement 1 like human beings are mortal. Then if we consider human beings, then man or women ka gender gap will not be there. So only modifying the statement 1 will be enough. Next, here comes what? 36 is to in ratio of 26. 36 is क्या है? 6 का square. 226 is 6 का cube. See, this series you have to see in our 4 and 8, 2 का cube equal to 2 का cube. Sorry, 2 square 2 का cube. 16 और 32 में वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. 4 square तो है, but 32 4 का cube नहीं है. Like this way, if you solve all the things, you will find A as the answer. Next, find the next 3 letters of the series A, B, E, then F, G, E, K, L, O, and then what fourth series would be like this. See, A, B, and then E, 2 का gap, then F, G, H, I, 2 का gap, K, L, M, N का gap यहाँ पे, then O के बाद P, Q, R, S का gap होगा, तो then T, तो answer will be P. So easy na, you have to just be a bit of calm, then these questions can be solved easily very. In these questions, just pause the video and read it. Like what does it say? 3 feet का एक फेंस लगाना है और उसमें 2 फेंस के बीच 7 feet का गैप होना चाहिए. तो what does it means? What does it trying to say? One fence is already there, and so we have to put how many fences? Like, so 63 divided by 7 equals to 9. The answer will be 9. Very easy. These kind of questions are too easy. Hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Next, come to this question. Sultana wakes up in the morning. She finds that the sun has come up, and she goes to park and start running towards north. Towards which direction her will be her own shadow. For this. Okay. See, here is Sultana, and she is going northwards. Here is her left and right. You know how this calculated. And rays are coming from here because this is east, this is north, west, and south. Okay, so sun is rays are coming from east, the shadow will be on her left. Okay, this was so easy question. Again this syllogism, or the study the following statement: all stones are hammers, no hammers is spade, some spades are hangers, and all hangers are wall. So read the question. So after reading this statement, you can find this kind of Venn diagram, or you can say like all stones are hammers. So come, we will put all stones under hammer. No hammers is spade, तो spade और hammer के बीच कोई connection नहीं. Some spades are hangers and all hangers are walls. So if you read the conclusion, no conclusion can be matched through the as per the demand of the question. Only one will be matched, like some spades can be wall. So this some can be wall as well, and this statement is only correct. Okay, next 27. This statement is also nice. Amar can finish solving an exercise in 2 hours, Brinda in 3 hours, and Chinmoy in 4 hours. In how many hours will all three complete 100 exercise? See, what does it says? A can do a work in 1 hour, B can do in 2 hours, and C can in 3 hours. So how much they will work in 1 hour? A will work 1 by 2, B will work 1 by 3, not in 1 hour here, 2 and 3 and 1 by 4. Okay, just correct it down. So together they will do an exercise as, we will sum all the up, and it will come as 13 by 12. So how many exercises are there? 100 exercises. So 13 by 12, 12 divided by 100. So we will change into multiplication, and for to change we have to change the position, like we'll upward, we'll do upward the 12 one. Okay, so 12 by 13 into 100 will come 92.3380 minutes. Minutes no hours. So it will be nearby 93 hours to complete the whole work. Hope I'm clear. Next, the average score of John Harris, whatever, 50 innings में 46.4, and after 60th inning the average score is increased by 2.6. So what was the average score in the last 10 innings? This question can be solved in this way. Like 50 inning में क्या था score? Average था 46.4. 16th inning के बाद क्या हो गया? 2.6 बढ़ गया. तो it will be, after adding to the earlier one, it will be 49. Okay, after 49 means 60 innings, we will multiply 60 innings to 49 average है, तो 60 into 40, 49 equal to 2940, and minus the 50 innings वाला को, तो 50 innings का average कितना था? 46.4. तो will answer will come like 2320. So it will, after deducting, we will get 620. And in last 10 innings, how many overs are there? In last inning how many overs were remaining? Like 60 overs था 60 inning के बाद, और पहला 50 को हम लोगों ने माइनस कर दिया, तो कितना बचा? 10. तो we will minus this 620 by 10, तो answer will be 62. Hope I'm clear, and it was quite easy. Again this, a sum of 2500 is distributed among x, y and z in the ratio itna. What is the difference between the maximum share and the minimum share? This question can also be solved like, let the share be x. Okay, then we will say 1 by 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5 by 6x equal to the amount, total amount 2500. We will do the sums, and then the x value of x will come 1200. Then we will apply all the sums, then the minimum would come like 600 and the maximum would come like 1000. Then what is asked in the question? Maximum minus minimum, the difference between the two. So 1000 minus 600, and answer would be 400 rupees. It was easy, no? And thank you for you guys. Like I could not solve every questions, but for making the video I am solving each and everything. Like, thank you. Next, this question, like this is a discount options, successive discounts of 10 to 20%, then a tax of 10%. See, when you sum of everything now, these all threes are same, like discounts of 30%, then 10% tax, again discounts of 30%, then 10% tax, and in the third option it is like pay tax 10% first and then you will get 30% discount. So all the options are equally good and equal in nature. So next question 31. Each of the A, B, C and D has $100, and read the question everything. And remember the option C. क्या है? C is the richest, D is the poorest, and B is the richer than D, and C has more money of whatever. A, B, C and D has 100 rupees. डॉलर को साइड में रखो, 100 रुपीज़ पकड़ते हैं. फिर A has given 20 rupees to B. So A के पास कितना बचा? 80. एंड B के पास कितना हो गया? 120. 120 में से B has given 10 to C. तो C के पास कितना हो गया? 110. प्लस B के पास कितना बच गया? 110 अगेन. ओके. देन C also gets 30 rupees from D. तो इसके पास कितना हो गया? एक्चुअली 140. और D के पास कितना बच गया? 70. ओके. So the question is what asked? D is the richest or something like that? No. So option C would and as it is asked as which is not correct. So C, option C will be not correct because what was the statement? Like C has more than what A and D has together. A plus D का कितना है? 70 plus 80 150. And D के पास कितना है? C के पास कितना है? 140. So this statement is incorrect. So this statement is incorrect that C has more than what A and D has together, because A and D has together 150 and C only has 140. So if it is asked, no. Okay, wait. It is asked now what is not correct. So that will be the answer. Again, this is so confusing but very easy question. In Malgudi, 40% population. Just pause the video and read. And just one thing, remember, what percent does not read the newspaper? This is what question is asking. So here is what 40%. 40% read Malgudi Times. 50% read Malgudi Express. 40% Herald, and 30% both Times and Express. And 25% Express and Herald, and 25% Times and Herald, and 10% read all three. So the question is asking that how much does percentage of population does not read any newspaper. So here you have to write, see, 10% is what? All three. So we will do 3 as circles and then we'll put 10 in the middle, like 10 in the middle as of here, because it is common to all the 3 newspaper. And then we'll solve these 3. 25% of Times and Herald. Times and Herald का 25 है ना, तो 25 already 10 is there. Then we will write 15, the leftover 15. Then comes 15% of Express and Herald. Express and Herald is here. Then we'll do 15%. Na 10 is already there, to 5 we'll write 5 between the two, common between the two. Next we'll read 30% of Times and Express. 30%, 10 is already there, we'll put 20 out there. Okay, up solve this one. Like 40% of Herald, see how you have to do is 15 plus 10, 35 plus, not 15 plus 10 is 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 इधर कितना पूछा 40, तो 40 minus 30 is equal to 10, so we'll put 10 here. Then in Express 55% has been asked, so 20 plus 10 30, 35 plus 20 equal to 55, so we will that put 20. And then Malgudi Times में 45% पूछा ना, तो पूछा 45%, तो 15 plus 10 it's equal to 25, 25 plus 20 equal to already 45, so there will be nothing, 0. Okay, now add all the sums here, and how much you will get? You will get 80%. So how total percentage is 100%. 80% is one or the other newspaper, so how much percent will remain? Like 20% remain who does not read any newspaper. This is how these questions can be solved. So I hope you are getting. Okay, now let's see the question number 33. See these things. What has been asked? 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 9, 23, 23 plus 11, 34, 34 plus 13 equal to 47. This way you have to go through. Okay, 47. Up again, there is 247 in this options. 47 again 15 14 को साइड में हटाओ, u and v पे ध्यान दो. The alphabet is very backward, like z, z, y, x, w, v, then comes u. Obviously then 47 u 15 will be the right answer. Okay na, it was easy. Next, go to the next question, and this is what select the word from the following which sorry cannot be formed using the letters from threatened. See, here is I, one I is there na, threatened I, detained, but there is no I in this word, so this can be eliminated very easily. Just keep your calm with you. And next, 35 number, a student buys a book from an online shop at 20% discount, and her friend buys the same book in a book fair from 192, paying 20% less than her friend. What is the actual price of the book? See, 20%, like 40% discount. First she gets 20% discount, and her friend got 20% discount of what price she has bought. Then the answer is 192. So we'll solve this question as this. Like, let the price be x. x का 20% discounts means remain 80 by 100, 80% बच गया. Then उसका 80% because also 20% discount she get, to what remain the same 80%. So we will solve this sum, and after that we will get rupees 300 as the answer. Just pause the video and see something. You will already understand what's going there. Next question. This is again a series wala question. Like 2 and 5 gap 3, 5 and 10, 5 का gap 10 and 17, 7 का gap 17 and 18, 11, 21, 28 to 13, 41. See, this is the prime number series is going on. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Then comes what? 17. That's prime number series. When you go again and again, you can solve this question. Then next come, if air is called water, air is water, water is brown, brown is dust, dust is green, green is cloud. Then where do fishes live? Fish, we all know that fishes live in water. So water is brown. So answer will be brown. Okay. This will stop 30 till 38 because this video is going very long, and we'll solve in next video. Thanks for watching. Do keep share with your friends, and do comment if you like, if you have any suggestions or just anything you can comment. Thank you.